Alright guys, welcome in. We got a new project for you guys right leading into Thanksgiving. I got a hand turkey for you guys. With this project, I will do it usually for my younger grades, but this can go all the way up, you know, in elementary for grades because it's a good skills and coloring a whole sheet of paper and kind of filling it in. So the first thing I do is trace my hand for my younger kids for tracing. I try to get them out of the habit of drawing kind of like they're writing their name and step their pencil a little bit back so it's easier to trace. Not having their hand closed, but having it nice and open on their sheet of paper. I always start at that other side for my right-handed students. And then kind of go up and then down. Go through that real quick. As I get to the bottom here, I'll stop right where my kind of hand and my arm connect. And then I'll do a curvy line that curves through that. After this point, I will have them go over this part in Sharpie just so it pops out a little bit more, and we'll add some of those details of the turkey. So let's go through that real quick. Okay, so now I got some time for my details. What I want definitely is to make it look a little bit more like a turkey. Easy way to do that is add a line on the bottom, a line on this side, and then do our little turkey feet. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on both sides. We're gonna get our turkey eye, so a nice circle onto there. A little triangle for the beak. All right, then you can put a line in between your beak. And then a curvy, kind of bumpy line for the waddle of the turkey. And then a little circle inside your big circle. If you want to color that in, everything except leaving a little white pot that looks a little bit more realistic for the eyeball onto there. And then I have a line on each of these. I got my crayons and colored pencils. I'll probably use some of the parts on the turkey with colored pencils for the details, and then maybe for the background, I'll add a little farm kind of village on there with the color, with the crayons onto there. So let's go through that real quick. Okay, so there it is. My hand turkey fits on there nice. I love how the background turned out with a little farm and a little scene on there. I love filling up the paper from top to bottom, side to side, to give you an idea of what the whole picture should look like. Really sets it off. So thank you guys for viewing. As always, I am Mr. Schutte. This is Mr. Schutte's art class, and we'll talk to you guys later.